Hello, hello, and welcome to day 2 of prep week for your Transform 20. Now, I know not everybody in here is doing Transform 20. However, the majority are, and the group is going to be based on that. But a lot of what we're talking about is the same for any workout program you're doing, especially since we talk about mindset and eating and nutrition. And we are going to be talking about what it takes to make sure you show up for your workout every day. So, prep week day 2. What are we going to do? What do we need to do? What do you need? Listen, here are the things I'm going to tell you to do your assignments for today. Number 1, make sure your water is increased. Make sure you have a tracking amount for your water. Now, when you do get your Transform 20, you will have a tracker that will come with it, and you'll be writing down your water every day. But for now, what I want you to do is make sure your water is reaching at least half your body weight in ounces. But ultimately, I want to see everyone doing 100 to 150 ounces a day, and you're going, that's a lot of flipping water. Yep, sure is. But it will help you to lose weight. Now, how do you do that? You wake up in the morning, before your coffee, after you brush your teeth, you are going to drink anywhere from 8 to 25 ounces of water. And you're thinking, what? Yeah, I started it with a little 8-ounce jelly jar, and I would just chug it, and then I would go to my coffee. And then it became 10, and then it became 16, and so on and so on. And now I drink 25 ounces of water when I wake up in the morning. It's called super hydration, and it sets you up for the day. And in the beginning, you'll be going to the bathroom all day long, but it's okay. Then the other thing you're going to do is every time you sit down to a meal, you're going to take 16 ounces of water. That's one whole water bottle. And you're going to drink that whole thing within 20 to 5 minutes before you eat. So what I like to do is when I'm making my meals, I'm drinking that water, and I finish that water bottle before I sit down to eat. It is scientifically proven that those who drink 16 ounces of water before a meal lose 44% more weight than people who do not. Is that enough to convince you? That's where you're going to get most of your water in. Otherwise, make sure you're drinking water throughout the day. Make sure you finish your water at about 7 or 7:30 at night so you don't end up all night. And next, I want you to make sure you start writing down everything you're eating, right? If you bite it, write it. If you taste it, paste it, write it down so that we can look at it and we can tweak it if need be. So let's start paying attention to what we're eating. I'm not even going to bother you with what to eat yet. Just write it down and make sure you get that 100 ounces of water in. Have a blessed and beautiful day.